Go ahead, speak.
So from first day, from I learn in vernacular medium, so I have problem with English. I don't have confidence at all whenever I need to speak in English. But when I join Money Sir sessions, I I have confidence. I can talk in English. Uh, from that from those days to this day, I got a lot of confidence. I can talk now. I can talk easily in English. I uh, if in those sessions I learn a lot, uh, from minute details in grammar, public speaking, how to present yourself. There were so many interview sessions, so many public speaking. Then there were free flow talks. I learn a lot, um, uh, and because of those continuous English sessions, continuous English speaking, one-to-one speaking, I because at home there I live in such a environment that there is nobody, there are nobody to whom I can with whom I can talk in English. So whole day in whole day I can talk in English with Manish sir only, those 1 hour sessions. And uh, because of those sessions I got confidence. And uh, I learn, just I said, I learn minute details in grammar and all other aspect of language learning. I learn a lot. Not so because of that I got confidence, and I can talk easily in English. Uh, he gave me so many vocabularies, uh, new ways to learn a thing. Give me topic to prepare in front of mirror. And from first day I still remember that I don't have so many words. I uh, bluff so many times. I use so many in my full intro. And from those and from that first day to this day, now I know that I got confidence. And I can talk in English with anybody. uh, if and Whatever he taught me, if I do practice, because I know that uh, he teach me very good uh, grammar, from grammar to uh, personality development. And if I do practice those things, then be a I can enhance my speaking quality more and more if I practice those things. So thank you, Manish sir. You give me confidence, so many tricks and tips how to improve myself. And sessions are too good. From first day, I hesitate to, because I know I joined BM before pandemic also, in last 2017, or I don't I didn't exactly remember. I don't exactly remember, but in 16, 17 also I joined BM. And I learned at that time also. But uh, because of my busy schedule, I need to skip some sessions. And then uh, I won't able to join. Then I won't. Then I don't. Then I don't able to continue those sessions. Uh, but now I joined, and because of there no single in those whole sessions, there was there were no single day when Manish sir wasn't there. So every day he was there. And he uh, checked my homework, give me proper accurate feedback, whatever I need to develop to uh, speak or to correct. He always correct my grammatical mistakes, and uh, now I have uh, now I have something in English that can driven me, that can give me confidence to talk with anybody. So thanks a lot. And in in future, uh, in future also, I think that if anyone want to uh, join or want to take one-to-one classes from sir, then it's I think it will helpful 100%. It will helpful to anybody, because from my experience, I got uh, that much of confidence, and by doing practice, I think I'll do better day by day. Thank you so much, sir.
I thank you very much for speaking that out, and I will see you tomorrow, same time. Okay?
Yes.
You
So
take care
tomorrow,
until then.
do we have a half-hour session? In
Yeah, just half.
half-hour 15 minutes, because tomorrow also I have that my all hands meeting continuous session. So
Okay. So will it be like, okay, the timing can be anything, but it will be half. Okay?
okay,
Fine?
okay.
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you, sir.